Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft. Sorry, here you are, with Christy's Lead Services, a small business outside of Abington. I was doing some research in your area. I actually have family in Freehold. Came across your company. Thought I'd shoot you this screencast video, giving you some insight into how you're doing online. If at the end of the video you'd like to learn anything more about Christy's Leads, please reach out via phone, email, or text. And if not, no harm, no foul. So I'm going to start on the front page of your website here and talk about keywords and content. See some great images going on here. All of your products that you do a lot. Wow, okay. Fences, services, contact financing, about. Okay, so I guess I was just going to focus on the fence part today. Generally, Google likes to see about 1,500 words of content on your front page, so adding some content can help relate you in Google and help them figure out what you want to service and where. So within those 1,500 words of content, I put in about 10 highly searched keywords, things like fencing New Jersey or gazebos and cabanas New Jersey. I have tools that let me know what people are looking for. So the next thing I'm going to talk about are citations in the map pack. So I just did a quick Google search for fence installation New Jersey. Obviously, you guys do a lot more than this, but even with this term, there's many different ways people search for it. So it's good. One way to optimize your website is to figure out what people are searching for the most, how they're searching for it the most, and then appear first for that. So this right here is your map pack, and it just has high visibility. It's easy click to call. Your website's right here. So it's really good to be first in the map pack. And one way to get there is to have strong citations, a lot of them. A citation is just your business name, address, and phone number appearing in online directories throughout the web. And you just want to keep up with them, make sure you're staying ahead of the game more than your competitors. So if you're in this top spot on the map pack and top spot underneath it organically, which is the first business to appear without an ad, statistically you get about 80% of the searches that come to this page. And in order to get here organically, you want to have strong backlinks. A backlink is just another website that links back to yours. It could be a blog about fencing, and someone mentions your company. They post your website, that's the backlink, and the blog is known as the referring domain. So I'm going to show you a tool we use called Ahrefs. And this is you guys. These are your backlinks. These are your referring domains. Quality and quantity matter here, so you always want to check them monthly, make sure they're working, they're not spammy, and they're high quality. The better the quality, the more powerful your website. These are the words you're ranking for, and this is the amount of traffic you're bringing. I'm going to show you your keywords last, and then I'm also going to show you one of your competitors, Artistic Fence. This company was ranking first organically. Their domains, their backlinks, and their keywords and the traffic they're generating. And let's just see if your keywords are loaded. So here you are. So these are all just words that you're going to show up for. There's no buyer intent there. Pool fences, New Jersey, that has buyer intent. Someone wants this and lives here. 80 searches a month, 2 level difficulty, which goes all the way to 100, so that's not too difficult. And you're in spot 5, which is probably the first page, but we try to aim to be in the first 3 spots. Vinyl swing sets, New Jersey, something you probably sell. You're in spot 6, 70 searches a month. Sheds, Freehold, New Jersey, 20 searches a month, 16 KD, which is a high ratio there. You're in spot 2, which is great. Aluminum fences, New Jersey, 40 searches a month, 1 KD, which is easy, and you're in spot 7, which is probably putting you on the second page. So just to give you an idea, fencing Monmouth County, New Jersey, again, someone lives here, wants that, 50 searches a month, 17 KD, which is a pretty high ratio again, and spot 12. So I just want to give you some insight into how you're doing. If you'd like to learn anything more about Christy's Lead Services, please reach out via phone, email, or text. My door is always open, and I'd love to have a short 10-minute conversation with you. And, if not, if the timing's not right, I understand. No harm, no foul. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.